triggered a lot of heavy selling in the morning.
239 points.
In this world, we need investments to withstand even the roughest waters.
Politicians on both sides of the Atlantic talking
Amount of bad loans they may be carrying.
We need corporations with vision
Some gains at the end of last week.
and proven track records.
Higher by about 0.8%.
She launched her first business when she was 21, design and manufacturing. As CEO, she quadrupled profits in just 1 year. And then she did it again. And again.
The economy is finally growing again.
Today there was some economic data.
Who is she?
The question is what's around the corner.
Would you invest in her company?
My name is Jacqueline Mukachemayile. I am the CEO.
She grew up in one of the poorest of villages, lost her brothers and sisters to sickness and war. Two things changed her life: a loan and a sewing machine.
I saved for years to buy it. It was so beautiful. I worked hard, but I barely had enough money for a roof over my children's head or to send them to school. The loan changed my life.
A simple investment, a microloan of $400, changed Jacqueline's world.
With the loan, I bought one more sewing machine, and then I bought another, and another. I hired people from my town to sew.
Designs by Jacqueline sold its first school uniform for 90 cents. It was a big hit.
It was very popular.
And still is.
With more loans, my business grew. I now have 24 sewing machines and many employees. All our children are in school. My boys now have a bright future. My daughter is good at math. She wants to be a doctor.
All over the world, small businesses need your help to get off the ground.
And on the Dow, we're up by about 1.25%.
In this world, there are good investments,
politicians on both sides of the Atlantic.
and then there are great investments. One machine, one loan, one person at a time. Fund a small business today.
Unlock the potential of tomorrow.